guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, thank you very much each and everyone who stayed by my side for this past 48 hours in my worst situation, who always texted me, called me and asked me how am I feeling, gave me positive hopes and gave me solutions to get back my Instagram account in every possible way. And yes, I get back my account within like less than 48 hours. I got back my account this morning. I was so emotional at that time. I was crying so hard. I was like, thank God that I get my account back. So thank you each and everyone. So in this video, if you don't know how my account got disabled, so go to the I button and watch the video first, and then please come back to this video to know how to solve the situation in case you are also facing this situation. And here I will give some tips as well in the last of the video to protect your account and what to do in this situation. So without any further discussion, let's get into the video. So on 22nd April, when my account got disabled, I was literally panicking. And yes, I made a video that my account got disabled and I uploaded it on my Instagram channel. I hope all of you guys have already watched it. And then in the comment section, I got a lot of comments that you can solve in this way, or I also face this and like this. So I talked also with a lot of friends and a lot of fellow influencers, and they started giving me a lot of ways. So firstly, I filled up several forms, like from Facebook, from Help Center of Instagram and Help Center of Facebook. I filled up a lot of forms to get back my account, that my account is disabled or deactivated. So I filled up all the forms and I got emails from Instagram and Facebook that they were just giving me reference IDs, and they told me that wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. We will recheck the issue and we will try to resolve it. So it all were like automated replies. I was waiting, and after filling up one form, I got one email that it was saying hold a paper, and they gave me one 6-digit number that it was written that please write the number in the paper. Also write your full name and your username. It should not be blurred, it should not be so small, it should be clear enough. You have to hold it with your two hands and you have to send it by attaching this JPG file, and you have to send it back in our email. It was by Instagram, it was sent by Instagram. So I did that like this and I sent it to Instagram. Also I tweeted, like my friends suggested me that you should tweet your problem by tagging Instagram, Facebook. So I also tweeted that and my friends also retweeted that, and in the comment section I got a lot of suggestions what to do or what should not. But after doing all this, after filling up all the forms, after giving all the replies back, I was not getting that much hope that it will solve the issue so soon. So I did a lot of research, and after doing all the research, so the key method that worked for me is actually to get an actual human being and talk to them about my issue. Yes, so basically I have an Facebook business page, or you can say Facebook business profile, and once I created one ad about one of my contents, and that thing helped me a lot. If you create any ad in your Facebook page or your business account, you will be able to access the chat with the Facebook agent or a real human being. But if you are thinking that you will buy an ad or create an ad and immediately the chat option will pop up, it won't happen. After running the ad, you will have to wait at least for like 24 hours to pop up that chat option. As I created an ad a long time ago, that's why the option was there, so that's why I was able to get my account back within like 48 hours. So you just need to be patient. So after selecting get started, you have to select that your account is disabled. Then you have to select your account, which one is deactivated or disabled. Then a chat option will pop up, a chat box, and after that a Facebook agent will join you, and after waiting for like 2 to 3 minutes, you will get a message from that Facebook agent like I did. I received a message from that Facebook agent, and the chat was super friendly, super smooth. He listened to me. He asked me to give my username. I provided all the information like how did it happen, when did it happen, and everything, my username. And after that he said that he raised an issue in the internal team, and he told me to wait for at least 48 hours to receive an email or a phone call. And after like 10 hours I got that email from Instagram, and there in this email it was clearly said that my account has been revived or it is reactivated. So I tried to log in my account after that, and boom, my account has been revived and it is reactivated, and I was able to access my account. It was like I get my life back again. So now I want to give some tips to protect your account, or if you are facing this situation, the tips will surely help you to get back your account. So the first tip is, don't act like an bot in the Instagram. Like, don't follow a lot of people at a time. Don't do any bulk follow, bulk comments or bulk likes. What it will do is actually Instagram will think that you are spamming or you are acting like a bot. Your account is a bot account, so your account get disabled. Number 2, if your account is already disabled and you have posted about it on Twitter, on YouTube or on Facebook, and you will get a lot of comments like hire someone, hire this pupil, he helped me a lot to get by my account. So please don't hire any hacker or somebody who claims that he will help you to get back your account, because if you provide him or her or that somebody your login information, it will make the situation worse. So please don't do it. Number 3, once you find out that your account has been disabled, go and fill up all the forms over there, and also go ahead and create a business account if you don't have on Facebook, and immediately go for an ad. If you have not created any ad, then buy an ad and create that ad to get an actual person to talk about your issue. Trust me, that is going to be your best shot. Number 4, you just need to be patient. Be patient and don't give up unless you get back your dearest Instagram account. And that was my today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any further queries about this situation, then don't forget to let me know that in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.